Hello. Well, today I'll take another shot at the pausing problem, the buffering problem, the buffering pausing is not so difficult. It's really the seeking across multiple disparate segments that's annoyingly convoluted. It seems like I should be able to do it, but when I go to do it, I can't do it. Or I couldn't yesterday. But I only tried for one day, so I'll build on my progress. Keep going, keep going. Oh my goodness gracious. Why don't we switch over to funky music? What's a chilling effect? People avoid exercising their legal rights out of fear of negative consequences. So it's chill effect. Rehash. Uh, Uh, nature, nature. Oh. I'm kind of in deep conversation with several friend groups. Okay. So on my screen yesterday, I made a RuneScape uh, leveling path simulator, or solver rather. It's pretty cool. Well, I only just prompted it. I used the local model running on my computer, which is pretty cool. Um, uh, what it does is finds the best leveling paths. So should I level attack or strength to get both to 99? Because like strength gives you more damage, attack gives you more accuracy, and the more DPS you do, the faster you level up. So there's got to be some sort of optimal path. And this thing figures it out. Can I like? No. Why don't we do this one? Yeah. So this is if you have a rune scimitar and you are fighting nothing but a rune scimitar, and you are fighting rock crabs. If you start with a rune scimitar from level 1, then this is the leveling path that you should take. The blue one. This line is like what I calculated in the past, and that's like that's X plus 20. So that's the advice. Keep your strength level 20 levels higher than your attack level. But when you introduce weapons, so these lines are like black scimitar, mithril scimitar, adamant scimitar, rune scimitar, dragon scimitar. What's this one? Abyssal whip and blade of Seldor. When you introduce those weapons, suddenly it's beneficial to just like rush the dragon scimitar. You like this is at 55 attack or strength. You rush from 40 attack with 55 strength to 60 attack with 55 strength just to get the dragon scimitar, because it's a really big upgrade. and that pulls you away from this optimal curve. So it turns out it's kind of flat, kind of straight line, leveling both of them equally when you take into account the weapons. And the curve changes with gear as well, a lot actually. Like depending on which monster you fight and what gear you're using, it'll change a lot, which is very interesting. After I work today, I want to like go in and find the value of this curve on a different heuristic, different utility. So like maybe this takes 5% more time than this or something. Trey thinks it should be much more. Dun, dun. Okay. Goodbye AI. Hello human. We're lost, bro. Hurry. So if I have to store two things anyways, what do if I So I think that right now when I grab the camera position and stuff, I'm grabbing it off the timelines through the head, right? Yeah, so like I am doing this. But what if it grabs everything ahead of time? I'm so into the conversation. We're talking about this article, and the main claim is that, I mean, AI people bad. Technology. It's a normal technology. AI is a normal technology. Technology. Did they change the wording? Wait, what? Is it this one? Yes. Okay. So the code is from here. Actually went to the sub articles. We're lost, bro. So I think oh. Right. If I pre-subtract everything... Wait, it actually doesn't matter. I forgot. So okay, my thought is take these functions, put them on the state so that the state has interpolation and it doesn't need to grab output events when you when you ask for information. It knows how to give you current information. Okay. T. Yeah. Why is like just throw it in, make it go, and then make the state machine. The hard part is this when you don't have the contiguous slice and you can't just do this. So get rid of it. You don't need it. I need an interpolation output type thing. I've kind of like... I've purposefully omitted timestamps from this internal state. Tick info, tick end. Oh. I see. Because this is what I want. Yes. Okay, so this is for checking mouse movement. Do I want to seek ahead? No. Cause like, if I have a delta like this, yeah, okay, I can do target one. This is target one. This is angles. Indeed, indeed. Where is this used? Oh, it's used right here. So I am exactly doing this except something else. It's position delta, velocity delta, acceleration delta, which I don't need. I'm just gonna omit, and then time and time delta. F64. Velocity. Oi, 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 oi. Why not? Why not convert it first instead of convert it twice? What am I playing at here? That's kind of weird. Okay. We can just say this, I guess. Angles equals to this is kind of special though. This is like tick end angles. I love funk. There you go. Isn't that smaller, simpler? Okay, so we need another one of these. But this is like tick end angles and tick end angles delta. Ow, 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 ow. I need oh, I guess I could say interpolation instead actually. And then all this stuff would go here. Yeah. And then I don't need this silly name. Wait. And I could actually just have the exact same thing here. Output interpolation state. Should I go like this? Okay. So I can do like push actually. So I'm not dividing or doing anything sussy, so I can just kind of go ham. I want this song. Got the funky bass I crave. Price? Oh, I didn't find it. Well, I should search here. Yeah, okay. Yay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, self dot interpotation. Yeah, okay. Silly guy. Add some interpolation state here. All right. I think default is in order here. This is not const. So this is valid. It should always find one of these. It should always replace all of this. And it should always replace all of this. I believe. Hmm. 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 So, I think I'm writing this, and yeah. Duh. Z z mm. So that yeah, this is the diffy diff. Huh huh huh. Uh. This is self. You good, bruh? And then this is not real. This is not real. Physics time. T0 is not real. T1 is real. So this is just like that. As F32. Okay. Oh, lerp. Oh. 1.0 minus. T. Isn't it more accurate to multiply before you divide? Just like save the division of time delta till after. Okay, let's recall lerp is T P0 plus P1 minus P0 times T. and t equals time minus t0 over t1 minus t0. So you can also represent this as 1 minus t. Okay, let's write it out. Times 1 minus t plus p1 times t. Right? So if t is 0, this is multiplied by 1. Let's go. So if we multiply this in and then divide after, that looks like over dt lovely. We say dt equals and this can simplify, but we actually don't have t0. So we need to get rid of t0 from all of these. So this is t1 minus time. Dt minus t1 minus time. I'm gonna say m0, m1, and dt. We'll call this m0. And we'll call this m1. And then we save the vision for last. Good. And then we don't do any of that. Does this simplify? Yes, so it's t1 minus t0 minus t1 minus time. So that's t1 minus t1. So that's time minus t0. Problem being that we don't have t0. So this is looking like it'd be better to just have two events, because like I can just do that. This thing is only clone, right? No. Yeah, we're doing 1.0. Okay, we like this. We call this output state. I don't know. Why don't we call this output event? And then this will be okay, and then there's no subtraction happening. Yeah. Uh, right. Real. W. Okay. Do we want this? No. Do we care? Do we care? We go straight to the answer. Is that true? DT. The only thing there is DT. Game. Oh, it's F32. Sure. Game 1. So I believe I can just like say go away, and it's chilling. Do we even care? Oh, true. Yeah, no, I guess we do have M0, M1. So who time minus T0 baba booey, T1 minus time baba booey, and that's how you do. And now we go like what the hell. Self dot event 0 times self dot m0 dot position plus self dot event one dot position times self dot m1 divided by self dot dt, and that's how you do. Good. And then these ones and that one do like this. Ain't no way. We go physics time. Not real, right? And then we need swizzles. Uh-oh. World offset. Uh-oh. State is for a particular bot. This is the only reason I wrote all this crap down here. So they can use the same M0, M1. I should use the new algebraic. Why not, right? I guess that moves that. But then these don't have it. It just doesn't matter that much. Cool, I guess. Move, do not access. It's kind of a cache. Is it literally just state? Is it actually just called state? Playback state. That's right. That's right. Vector 3 to glam. That doesn't sound right. What did I do? Oh. 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 It's moved. Element of G. Just go up here. I don't know. If I say default, what happens? Okay. Big. Okay. Cache interpolation state in playback state. No data access. through head. Yeah. Cache? Ooh, exactly. I freaking hate M dash. I see an M dash and I just close whatever I'm looking at. He said, and then used AI. Bruh. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so I think this is making sense here. Bot world offset camera offset this goober gaba on here stay. What F this with the same case? Oh, okay. Yeah, only one usage. That's silly. Okay. So we don't need crate. We can just like make it up. NSG self. Okay, bot world offset. So this is more of a low level guy than. Yeah. We could call this get camera. Like that. Just a little bit of cleaning and deaning. We're lost. Oh, it's not pub. So these are all private functions. That's I like how I don't have to carry a tiny patch all the time. Having the bot thing published is nice. Did I publish it? Yeah, I did publish it. Good job. Okay, so now head. Ooh, it's more tiny. It's more focused. How nice. That's so nice. That was a design mistake, and now it is rectified. Well done. What's up with this? Expected gabagoo, found gabagoo. Oh. I understand. I'll just. Does that make sense? Say Mimi. Heh. Uh, 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 uh. Maybe, maybe maybe it can work. Oh my god! Ugh. It makes me want to make a substruct that's just these two. Sure, bot handle, like StreamableBot has more crap. It's like StreamableBot state. It's I'm not gonna access these guys elsewhere, but I'm gonna constantly be calling these functions. Same way okay. You are loud. Shh. Constantly be calling these functions. So I think it's bad. It's tricky. Oh, StreamableBot. I don't know. Pub struct. Bot blocks. Simple bot blocks. I called the function here. I don't like this name. This is tricky. It's kind of like. I wonder if the ownership makes sense. Well, in my little API guy here, I have like bot block ID everywhere and bot block data. So actually, how much of this timer time? It's kind of inner sanctimony. We. I think that a lot of this is actually inner. So yeah, I think this is actually bot blocks, and the StreamableBot has bot blocks. Impl bot blocks. What happened? That's right. Name is growing on me. Bot blocks. Butt blocks. And then this, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. Most of the code. This is actually most of the code is here. And I think it's mostly actually new functions. Bot blocks, blah, block, and then y'all are never gonna believe. So then that's contains goes here. Pub function bot block, butt blocking. Who? What? Wait. Oh wait. What? I don't. There's okay. The ingest block. Yeah. Okay. Const function bot blocks, let's say, and then self bot blocks. Nino burrito. So then, oh. Right. Okay. I lied. I lied. I lied. New function goes here. And we bot blocks. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. You make it directly. It's not the same thing though. Oh my god. Yeah. Do we want to put this first? I mean, this code is like tired, so it's okay to move it, I think. RRR. So then this is what? Timer.time. That's the. Is it the physics time? Yes, it is. So then all of this is physics time, which is interesting. It's cleaner. W. People who say female are a different breed. Yeah, so now this can say bot blocks. And that's it. For real, for real. Probably most of what we want is this guy, but possibly not always. Haha, XD. What is that? Self.bot. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna find out. Duration. Uh-oh. W Rust. I don't know yet. It's skooky. What's this? Session set time bot streamable bot. Bot blah blah blah. Self dot blah blah. Grobble. Huh? Expected bot blocks. Is that real? I don't know. Let's try. Okay, then you have that. Okay. What's down here? World offset. All right. I like it. Compartmentalize bot blocks. It's a lot of changes. What? What? But like, I've had this feeling multiple times. Great job. StreamableBot world offset. It's just like so much extra crap. Timer start and world. API. World offset. Oh, I'm definitely breaking everything. I'm gonna have to fix about 100 bugs that I've already fixed before. I'll be right back. I need like solid food. I'm not gonna lie, I feel less lost than I did yesterday. I just made 2 pretty big changes to where the data is located, and it feels really right. It feels right. What's up with that? Streamable head. Lie. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. So the stream title is this. The end of block event that goes like, oh no, I have to pause the playback. You run out of runway. There's no more data to play back. We need to stream in more. We need to wait. We need the little spinning wheel. In the most annoying voice possible. So I know I said I wanted solid food, but I got crackers and meat stick. Which is technically solid food, I guess. And blah, 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 blah. End of data. No more data. Streaming required. Missing block. Block, block, block. Awaiting block. Trigger buffering. Yeah, and then trigger buffer pause. So that's what it does instead of like why it happens. W. That's W programming. Okay, so now we add the final dingus. Help. It goes like self dot. Really? Yeah, yeah. Pa 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 pa. Pa 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 pa. Pa 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 pa. Real? Do real people do this? Wow. So pause. If the timer's already paused, it gives you an error, but like we just like don't care. We only want to pause it. Yeah. So then pause timer. We call it buffer timer. It's kind of buffering timer. Where's bot? Okay, so this is blah. Wait. Do we need to know anything? Blah. CTX blah. Session context. What? So okay, so both of these just go inner. Yeah. Okay, so let's go with the big one. We'll say, oh my goodness, blah bot blocks, and everybody use that instead of what I was doing before. What? Cannot find value bot time. Are you for real? User timer set time new time. That's new time. Okay. So, no. Not real, not real. Not real, not real. Wait, not real. Oh! Session errors are all gone. Wow. Okay. What about you? What do you want? That's right. Duration. Bot duration. Who knows? Does the does it know? I think it does know, right? Oh, maybe that's a little bit gross to listen to. Okay. Trigger buffer pause is power moves. Finally, I named it. I'm happy with that name. Right. Now I need to trigger it. Head next instruction. Smells like asphalt. Smells like asphalt. I keep looking at this and going like, well, that could probably do the job of telling you when you need to trigger buffer pause, because like the head knows the current block, and it needs to read it. You know, why don't we does it need to? Well, I don't know. Why don't we call why don't we call it something like that? And it'll be like, ooh. Hello. Bot time limit, time instruction, next instruction, nah. How do you know? You check the head, the Mimi session head, and you say, who's next? And then you check the bot, and you say, it's not here. Oh. This is okay. That name is okay. I'll describe it. Trigger buffer pause if the next event is not loaded yet. Buffered. Okay. Time limit, session time is time now. Actually, I needed. It has to be time. Wait. The session doesn't know its own time though, right? There's no self time. It's timeless. No, right, because It pauses when it needs the instruction. No, next instruction. Head next instruction. You what? Yeah, okay. Wait. Head next instruction. Head next event. Next event. So this has to like give you a bunch of it has to read like 2 ahead, right? Okay, we're getting a little bit complicated again. Because you need interpolation state. So if your next guy exists, okay, you've already done that though. And it actually is looking over here actually. Next, it's already next. Is that true? Is that true? No. Yeah. Self bot timer into state get inverse time. Was I wrong to do this? I just didn't like the fact that I was going to be calling... Who did this? Where is this? Oh, it's right here. No, it's not. I didn't like the fact that I was going to be calling these functions constantly on StreamableBot. I think this is a sort of self-contained object. It's so tricky. There's so many little ways it can fail. Yeah, process exhaustive should do the implicit pause. So that necessarily means it's a little bit tricky because the head is the one who's gonna say what's up. Like this is gonna be like, oh dude, we run out of runway, there's no more video to play that's already downloaded, we need to wait for buffering. But that instruction is not internal to the head. That's an error fetching the next instruction that gets changed into a session instruction. Because the timer is not on the head, the timer is on the session. And when you run out of instructions, that's a head error. But that's a session instruction. You're instructing the head you're instructing the session to pause itself to wait for more, but the head cannot be paused. So I think this is like, it's wacky. Cause like, this thing has its own both, but it can't act on its own information. If the head has an internal instruction that says trigger buffer pause, Well, then this forms a loop here. No, okay. This and this is a process exhaustive feedback loop. What happens next? Okay, do that. What happens next? Okay, do that. If it says what happens next, I'm dead, bro. It can't do anything. Is that okay? I think it's kind of, I don't know. Is it an error? Like, you infinite loop. What if the head owns the buffer power? Oh. What if the head owns the buffer pause timer? Then it can act. Is that a design win? I have no idea. I should try it. Let's try it. So who ha huh let's get rid of this. Huh? It's kind of, yeah. Good. Okay, so let's try. Let's try. We go no. This goes here. Trigger buffer pause, trigger buffer unpause. Should we say set buffer paused? Because it can know both ways. It knows. It knows, oh, I can play now. And it knows, oh, I can't play. It knows. It do go down. So we yoink this and sploink it in the head. It's this one right here. And then this goes, it goes head time to bot time. Is that real? Is that real? So user bot time, head time, So the head. Really messes with my timer. Like, okay, what happens? Okay, if you pause, then it stops checking if it needs to become unpaused. Is that true? Is that true? That sounds good. I don't know. I don't know. Who knows? What? I don't know. Okay. Looper, new looper time. How do we transform from session time to looper time? Is there such a thing? I don't know. Looper is looper. Looper has timer. Looper time head time. Looper time. No. Looper time. User time. User time. Ah. Okay. I should figure out the timers after. Hold. So, head time. Bot time. But I can't believe how many of these like motions I'm doing. No. This state belongs in here. No. This state belongs in here. No. Come on, bro. Don't do that. Oh. Oh. Why? Head time, bot time. True. I believe we want to receive head time here. Huh. So now it's an error here, and then it transforms into a here, into a something. Uh. Oh. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hmm. 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Is that true? Is that true that it needs a timer? Head time. So that's now time equals self dot timer. Uh. Oh. Bot time. It's both? And then StreamableBot timer, no timer self. With timer new self's timer. Buffer timer equals timer. Pa 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 pa. Bot time. And then we go do like this. So. Oh. Okay. I don't know. Do we need bot blocks? I don't know. Freaking, why are you asking me? So, it's the butt time. And then and that's now working. Fail. I don't know that. I don't know anything about that. Next event. So this remains like this. Head next event. Right? Wait, is that right? No. It's like that. So the error comes all the way from the down. Wait, from the oh, there is no down. Oh, it's right here. Oh, header. Yeah. Blah blah blah. Not loaded. Yeah. That's what. Wait. Next event. Right? Blah blah blah. Is that true? So no. So we say like, oh, next event. And it's option, result option, maybe. Option, result option both work. So now this, hello. I just wrote it. Am I still using the goob? No. It's right there. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. No net. What? Oh, is it head to head? No. Am I? You're trolling me. You're trolling me. It's right here. Must have self parameter. Oh. There you go. Okay. Okay. So then this is not real. We have to make this I definitely need to make this nicer. Looking at your own code, this is not real. I say that too much. I'm just gonna copy paste for now. I'll use this idiot function right here. Inverse pause time. That's not real. Wait. Oh, it is literally this. And this is literally... like that. Oh, but this is at a different layer now, so... I don't know, man. Dude, I don't know. What the hell? Looper time? Head inverse what? Time limit what? I'm gonna to give you a ticket. This is no, that doesn't happen. It's just outright. The looper takes the time. Outright. There's no such thing. You're looper time is session time. Which is strange. I don't really get it, but it should be like that, I believe. Okay, now we take this to here. Blah blah blah. But yeah. Yep. Okay. Self dot gimme get sure time. Okay. Right. True. Real? Question mark? Oh. Okay. Why don't we name this bot time, and this will stay time because that's used there. The function. Okay. And this says dot blah blah. Are we back to, no. The tricky bits. So tricky. Okay, so this doesn't work. This is for here, but it's not for here. Is that true? Next event. I think that's used right there. It does not need to be pub. We say it's important to have a consistent interface when you have public functions. Forced to give you a ticket. Result option self had error. Really? So then what about this? I think this whole thing goes away and you just do it from here. Cause like, oh wait, did I skip it? Okay. Uh-oh. Hey. Oh. Head to head. Head to head. Okay, and then no. So no. Wait. Oh, it needs a time. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Option self. Interesting. So it's actually like this. We say timed result self head error, which is freaking just absolutely crazy. Hey game, what's up with this? Result. Oh no. I can probably map it to timed instruction. T-I. Instruction, and T is it just F64? None. Do you use LLMs to program these days? Do I use AI? When I'm writing things that I care about, no. Recently, I've been using LLMs that run on my computer to explore things I'm curious about. Like yesterday, I wrote this DPS calculator for RuneScape, and it made this cool graph. So let's say you're playing RuneScape, and you want to max out attack and strength, but you know attack gives you more accuracy, strength gives you a higher max hit. So strength, you do more damage, attack, you do damage more frequently, more often. You have a better chance to hit. And you gain experience based on your DPS. And your DPS depends on both accuracy and max hit. So what's the fastest path, leveling path, to max both? Well, that would take weeks to code by hand, but it's a simple enough problem that the LLMs can easily grasp it and throw something together. So I had the LLMs write the code, and then I was like looking at the final data and like thinking about the problem. So this is like going to the right is leveling up attack. Going up is leveling up strength. So more accuracy, more damage. And if you have just one weapon the whole time, then you follow this curve. And it's all zigzaggy because you only gain max hits every 3 levels. So it's not worth it to like continuously follow a smooth curve. It amplifies zigzagginess. But what if you unlock new weapons as you level up? So that's the orange curve. So this line is what I calculated in the past, which is like you usually want your strength level to be 20 levels higher than your attack level. But I did not take into account that would be like if you just have one weapon the whole time. I didn't take into account if you unlock new weapons and whether you should like gun for it and like just grind only attack just to unlock the more powerful weapon. And it turns out it's really important to do that. So it's so important that you like have this massive discrepancy between where you are. So this is like 85 strength and 60 attack is what you want. So you want your strength level to be like 20 levels higher if you just have one weapon the whole time. But if you unlock this powerful new weapon, you want to gun for it at 55 strength. And you stay at 55 strength and 60 attack instead of going to 85 strength at 60 attack. Just a colossal change. Like this is just absolutely gunning for it. And it's fascinating. I was curious, right? Super cool. It'd be a chore to write the code. So yeah, I did use LLMs off stream to write this. But for my work, for this stuff, I actually want the code to work. And I want to understand the code so I can extend the code. Because it's kind of, the goal is to have this programming garden. And like, do my programming gardening every day. So it doesn't really make sense to use LLMs here. Because I'm not close to the goal. It's not a simple task that I can whip up in a few hours. It really requires a long horizon of reasoning that is out of the grasp of language models. Like it could probably make this quickly, but then you wouldn't be able to extend it or understand it or debug it or any of those things that you need for quality software. I'm telling you. Buh. There's no buh. Buh. Huh? Head time. Huh? Buh. I had this idea that each layer should map time to the next layer down. But if the session time isn't real, then it's just equivalent to the looper time. Been convinced that they're not that bad if you have good harnesses. That's kind of tech bro speak. Harness it as long as the harnesses are good. But there's some truth to it. And it's more that the LLMs are capable. The harness is kind of just bashing the LLM against the problem. Looper time inner. Looper time 1,000x engineer in a bottle. No. It's actually crazy that we've had like AI fatigue cycles. We've gone through cycles of like, God, I'm tired of talking about AI. And now we're back to AI. Okay. So if the looper time is not real, what does that mean? It goes looper time, head time. So user time will go from bing to bing, 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 bong. Looper time. We say user time. I'm gonna say that user time. So I'm gonna say looper time is not real. And do session. It kind of sucks. Wait, playback head equals. Crikey. Oi. What? StreamableBot. Oh, it's wait, really? I need it? StreamableBot bot. I don't know. There's a new Cory Doctorow article just dropped criticizing the Lich King and accusing everyone of repeating the Lich King's marketing claims. AI bad. Is this a baba? I don't know. StreamableBot. Looper time. There is no such thing as looper time. Loop delay loop. We're gonna do we need head time? No, we don't need head time. We do. Wait. Oh, well, we'll have head time, but I don't think we actually need. Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, so wait, bot time. Okay, whatever. Use create session. User time, session time. Is this real? Session time, user time. We may need both here. Looper duper. Looper time. Session time. Loop trigger time, session time. Looper time is session time. It feels bad now because I always like to have the time defined in the module and it maps down to the next timer. What's up with this? Head time? No. No. Oh, well, yes, there. It is user time. It's the new time that I just made up. TUV, yeah. Head time. User time. Real. What happened here? Why is it doing this? Timer fix new. Real time. Expected session time found user time. Where? Is it trolling? This looks like it's trolling. Yeah, this looks like it's trolling. Session time, user time. I think this is trolling. So, user time, session time. Dude, why is this trolling? Double equals session time. Are you for real? Out equals session time. Why would you say out equals session time? Why would you say that? Timer. This is in, out. Out does not equal session time. You're lying. Oh, is it loop trigger time? No. Huh? Expected head time enter found user time enter. I think this is trolling. I think it's trolling. Let's restart it. Bro, are you for real? No, it still thinks it. Rust 1.98 released. They have a nice new function, from stir radix for non-zero types. Oh my god. I don't understand. Why is it trolling me? Why is it saying equals session time enter? Out equals session time enter. That's not what I wrote. In, out. In equals session time enter. Out equals user time enter. You're lying. What? Look. User time times session time enter. You what? You what? Oh my god, bro. Why is this happening again? Out equals head time. Expected head time. Real. User time or set time? Huh? Loop time. We're not setting head time. We're setting user time. Session goes looper, user time, head. Head receives head time. User receives user time. Oh my god. Looper time is not real. Not real. Time. Real. Head time. No. User timer gives head time? Head time, bot time. Head time, bot time. Real. Bot time, head time. Real. Bot, blah, blah. Blah. Not real. Blah, 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 blah. New time, bot time, user time, set time. User timer is head time. Right. What? Head time and not head time. User time. User time. Huh? Head time, bot time. What the what? Whoa. I have to invert the bot time? What? Set time, bot time. How does that work? So user timer, set time. If it's buffering, something doesn't make sense here. Because you want to set the bot time. You definitely want to set the bot time. When you're on the player and you click, that's the bot time. What if it's buffering? What happens? It should just stop buffering and go somewhere else and either buffer or don't buffer. So this is definitely bot time. So I think we actually say head time equals 0. Yeah. Yeah. So we set the user time to 0 and then set the and that's how we do it. About what? What? StreamableBot timer time, bro. So it's kind of looking like the handle is a little bit fatter than I expected. I'm not sure what to do about that. What? Oh, that's the Waza module. Goodness. So it's just this. It's self-contained. I love it. But why is there two? But you need this. sometimes it's a little bit more metadata. And there it is. So it's tricky. Okay, session definitely wants. Well, this is what I thought before. Session definitely wants the StreamableBot. That's what I thought. Bot time inner lie. 3 arguments. Head time? My god, bro. Oh. What? Huh? Why did it do that? Don't do that. Okay. So that goes like that. Okay. Not. Huh? Oh. Right. Oh my. Okay. So there's none of this. Huh? Set time. Huh? Huh? Is this ins.time now? No. You a software engineer? Are you a software engineer? Do I see software on my screen? Is that software? You look like you're doing something with software. You just got that software look. I've seen this before. User time. What the hell? How do I get this? We have session time. Huh? What's head time? Head time comes from the user timer, right? Yeah. How do you know what time it is on the user timer? The user timer has user time. The looper has looper time. We're setting the looper time to 0, right? Huh? What? Huh? There is no such thing as looper time. Wait a second. Looper state. User time, session time. So, huh? The time. What? Why is it giving me underlines? Isn't that correct? This is correct. Okay, I'm absolutely wilding. So, oh. So that was not correct. That's not correct. Mine got. Okay, it's user time. My god, bro. User time. Go like this. Jeez. Underline the right thing, man. Don't just underline everything. Oh, it's gone. Nice. We got it. Yay. Okay. There's the looper, maybe. Oh, jeez. 0 everything out on the loop. Does that make sense? The bot time, yes. The head time, yes. The user time. Shouldn't I be able to avoid that? Shouldn't I just be... I mean, this is easy. It's easiest. It's easy. That's easy. This is going way better than yesterday. Okay, looper time. Looper time. User timer. We need to grab the timer signature. Looper time. About time. User time. That's not head time. That's user time. User time. And that's not bot time. That's head time. And then we need one more layer. Let bot time equals self dot dot looper time. Looper time. Head time. Head timer time. Head timer time. Looper time. User time. Head time. Looper time. Did. Oh, it's a const. User timer. It's a buffer time. Butter. Ooh. We yoinky this guy. Okay. Session time. Timer. Time. Hello? Head. Huh? Oh, I freaking... There you go, bro. And then time, head time, semicolon, and that's how you do it. User time. Let's do... Let's do this. See how that goes. Nice. Gobbly D's. What? Where's the, oh. Session time, bot time. Huh? Head time found bot time. We won't head time, bot time. No. Looper time, user time, head time, bot time. Time. Ugh. Okay, time, inverse user time, and then this is not real, right? You got them. Wait, self dot session. It's a game of whack-a-mole. I have compiled all of the development streams, and I am now using AI to go through all the frames and write out the whole code base. I'll be releasing this game with brain rots and become rich. Good luck with that. So this is not real. The buffering does not happen there. This is not real. Is this an ins.time situation? Process instruction. Okay. Maybe things. Implement. Move. Buffer timer to head. So the head owns the buffer timer. Ooh, it actually took away code. So, wait. If the head owns the buffer timer, then it'll auto pause. This is not quite right. We need a buffer head. Oh my god. Because the head is used in the BVH. No, the head is used for showing the diff. You seek in the world record to an exact position, and then you compare the time the run has at that position to your time to get the difference, and also the velocity. So if that has automatic pausing, you're in trouble. Because you're just like playing them back, and it just goes, oh, and then you're So this is a special guy. Oh! My meat stick. Okay, so this is actually wrong. I need a head, and then I need head. It's a new layer. So head internal instruction. No. Biffer. Buffer. Bjuffer. We want, okay, buffer sounds like it's a buffer, and it's not a buffer. It's a buffering mechanism. It's a buffer head auto pause. Buffer timer. It's like looper, but the same thing but different. It's not a buffer. We could actually call it a bufferer. That's okay. It's a little skooky, but that's okay. So then this guy, don't be doing like that. They don't be. No. 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 Bot timer time. Playback head. This could totally be head time. Methinks. And then uh-oh. Physics time. Oh, yo. I'm not entirely sure about the layers of abstraction. So then this can be bot blah 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 blah. And then it's automatically good. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. And then we do the same deal where we got the at the down here. Except it is completely empty. Oops. Gabagoo. And then looper, nah. Bufferer. And then user timer is not real. We just want, I don't know what we want. What do we want? Bufferer, who? Yeah, head time. Okay. Lib bufferer. We'll grab some of this crap. Okay. We'll probably need bot time. Playback head. Maybe. Neat. Good job. Power moves. Buffer. Capital B. What? State. So we need head. Is it the playback head? Do we care about the state? Or is it just the head? I think it might be just the head. And we don't care about the state. Mayhaps. And it's no mutt. No mutt's pretty cool. Gabagoo. Do it all again. So that's a trait. Common timer state. Yay. So if there's no event, there's no event. That's just the way it is. Head inverse buffer time. No. Bot time. Head context. Huh? Head time is timer state. I don't think we need that. We only use bot time here. Uh-oh. Bufferer. So head time. We can say it's not real because this guy is doing the guy right here. So instead of head time, it's buffer time or bufferer time. We'll call it buffer time because then it's right there. It's isolated, self-contained. Why is BVH? Oh. Do we actually need to do this? I own you. Returns bot time. Bot time. What are you? Result head error. Huh? Close. Row. Match, right? It's a, huh? Yeah, okay. Match. Yeah. What happened here? Okay. Match. For real. Show code actions, missing arms. Okay, error. Okay, just... Unlucky. I can't do it. Okay. Okay, something. Didn't I? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Right. Self. Event self. What do you mean self? What do you mean self? Head? You what? Self? You what? No. Event type. You goober. What am I doing? Where am I? Who is this? Oh god. use create buffer time buffer. Oi, not real, right? No, it's the f. Are we back to baba? Wait, we need this. That's the only one. Huh? Right, it's 0. Okay. No, it's not physics times 0. Okay. We have to go, we have to say, let physics time equals to self dot bot dot timer dot time bot time semicolon apostrophe backspace physics time boom boom boom. Okay, that's how you do. I guess we could also just say self dot bot dot start time. And that would work. But like, whatever. Who cares? Nobody cares. Get out of here. Hey, Looper's back. Nice. Okay. Bufferer. Instruction on instruction. There's only one instruction. Didn't we already hear this song? Oh, there's no D. Set buffer paused. Self dot pause ins direction that time paused comes from right here. Okay, yeah, woo. Okay, easy clap. And then next instruction comes from oh, do I have to layer it? Do I have to layer it? Well, I don't know. I do not know. I do not know. Okay, head time is fake. Create bro time is real. Head time, bufferer time. And then set time, bot time, self dot physics time equals to self dot okay, it's right here, bot dot timer dot time new time is new time. There you go. What do you want? Oh. Okay. And then this is not real. We go back. Wait. Head. It lives in you. It's a bufferer. The actual, the one. And we say bufferer dot Buffer, timer, time, head, time, bot, time, done. Real. And then can we just say bot time? Is that real? Head next. I don't know. User time limit. No. Hello. Bot time. What is this? Except bot time, right? Buffer time. Yeah. Bot time limit. And then inverse time. Hey. Who. Buffer time. So this goes to the bottom. User time. Huh? User time. Is that real? What time is this? Expect session time. Ooh, and then user time makes user time. What? This is bot time. I need inverse. Something. I'm doing it on the looper, right? Yeah. Alright, bro. We can actually just call this timer. Because it's the buffer timer. It's the timer. It's a bufferer. It has a timer. It's the bufferer's timer. Duh. So then inverse time, pub, crate, I guess. And then there you go. Oh, that's right as rain. Okay. What's up here? Playback head new. Lie. Where's the buffer? So the buffer is underneath here. Bufferer equals bufferer new, and it does something and works somehow. Nobody knows. Wait, bufferer. Wait. It's right here. Yeah, bufferer time bot time. Yeah. Okay. So those are the layers. Yeah. How do you make a new one? Who knows? Pub const function new. Self. Self timer. Timer equals timer. Semicolon. Something time is something else time. Bufferer time. Bot time. Real. Just like that. We can just go like snaky and then colon bakey, and then we go ooh ah. And that's it. Right? What do you want? Non-const lie. Okay, whatever. This could totally be const. Oh, I used this as a trait function. Unlucky. No cat. No cat. So then, what's up with this? Okay, we don't know. Session. So we start with this, and we go to this year, and then there we go. Okay, nice. Okay. And then at the bottom, time It's the wrong time. Is it just the time? It is. Insanity. Woo! Okay. Move buffer timer to bufferer. Woo! So I've shuffled a bunch of stuff around several times, and I haven't like worked on the actual work. This is the actual work right here. Figuring out how to like skip the thing, initialize the state, detect the missing blocks. This will have a freak error, head error, something. Or actually, no, if the head exists, it implies it's for real, and it's already checked. I wonder if it'd be good to have the head have a lifetime and it's transient. And then you like create it, and then you do this when you need to. I don't know. Okay, there's a lot less bad going on. Oh, what happened here? Oh goodness. Who did this? Right. So this is where the event type goes here. R, and then the other goes here. That's kind of gross. This is private. I don't know, dude. Header. We say head error. Blah 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 blah. Goes to special instruction. Wait. Oh, it's whoa. There's no such thing. What? None. Huh. For me, it's none. Is that true? You're done? You're done on none. None is done. You call it again? It should be like rather cheap, because you just check in one thing. It's constant time. How long has this been? 3 hours. I've been 3 hours of shuffling code around. Good shuffling though. Thinking carefully, trying to put things in the right place, model the problem accurately. I haven't actually done the work, but the fluff that was like obscuring the work is largely is diminished to a large degree. Okay, it's not there. Uh, um, we're lost. Excuse me. Struggle is real. Blah, 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 blah. This definitely needs to be the bot block. Can't be this that. Blip blah blip blip blah 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 blah. We say event index is a U size. So it has the blah blah and the event. Blah blah no. Blah 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 blocks. We could say bot blocks. And then it's bot blocks dot get blah 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 dot get event index dot index dot block. Oh, Eh. Oh. Eh. Should I just pub everything? I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Where does it come from? Head. Okay. Okay, did I do it? Where's the function? Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Block ID. Right? There you go. Okay. There you go. So it's kind of like this. What do we want? Oh, it's I guess it's unwrap, eh? Neat. So event index also includes the block now. Okay. Probably this should just pass the block outright instead of doing this dance. Yeah. So actually this function signature can remain the same. Because it'll require you to grab the block yourself. It's trying to like make a multiplexer dispatch. Tricky. Process event, bot blocks event type. Hey, that code goes here actually. Wait, event type. Wait. Ooh. Get next. Oof. Okay, this is actually doable. Baba Booey. Why don't we start with output? Should I spell it out? Sure. I might just get rid of that, but yeah, I might just get rid of that. Okay, I'll get rid of it. I might just outright say it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So now we have the blah 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 blah. I'm not sure this is the right place for this. Hmm. Yeah. I wonder if this function. So it's kind of like get event. I'm conflating process event with get event. Like I kind of get next event, process event. Like it's where's the next wait playback head? Is it playback head? I think I need a get next event. Situation. Black. I don't know. Did I delete that function? Did it already exist? Because, like... There it is. Next event. I'm kind of writing that function and not this one. Except event type. Damn. Damn. How did I do today? Way good. Well, most of it was like moving code around. Well, yeah, I did this as well. That was good. Good luck with coding. I should have read that out loud. And yeah, so I fixed everything else, and then I go to do the actual bit, and it goes, gah. We're lost, bro. There's just one little error here. I gotta get rid of this. Bot is bot blocks. Let's put it as StreamableBot. And then do bot blocks. And do bot bort bot blocks. And that fixes that. Okay, one less red underline. I want to work on the other thing. It's AI. It's AI. Hey man. Let's see. What are we doing? Wait. What about the solve? Where's the solve function? It's here. It outputs step. Step has useless information. You only need this. Yeah. Change the function signature of God, I want to just do this myself now. I understand it. To return skill. And possibly also the map, right? Does that matter? Time. It's like the grid. Do we only care about this time here? Move the grid initialization into a constructor. Oh, actually, yeah, no, we can do this. Grid has a method to calculate the path that returns vex skill. Actually, it's probably iterator. Well, no, because it needs to do the full thing. Step is removed. The values only exist transiently during path evaluation. As well as, yeah, something like that. In print path. Okay, GG. I am smarter than the AI. Yay. Warm milk. Alright, so I think I'm done for today. I'm gonna do my other stuff. I feel unstuck. Yesterday I felt stuck. It's still difficult, but I've gotten rid of all the noise. I might try to work on this on the weekend, or maybe I won't. But I'll definitely be back next week, probably Monday. Hopefully Monday. I don't like not working. Yeah, oxidized. All right. Power moves. Well done. Hopefully I can solve this by the end of next week. And we can have streaming. Woo! Well, we still need map streaming, and that'll be another 2 weeks at least. More like 3 weeks. It's more complicated than this. Yeah. My near future is